right, so we're now at the food section here at the Tacos and Tequila Festival. We got a couple different food trucks. We have El Patron's very own food truck here. We're located in downtown Akron. So we have our brick and mortar store, and then we also have the mobile vehicle operation. We got tacos, we got quesadillas, we have burritos, botanas, and the lines are crazy. I think they should have brought more food trucks out. We got a couple different options, but the lines have been crazy all damn day. So I think I'm gonna have to go get some more food to replenish the food trucks. But Zoe, are you having a good time? So yeah, we're out here, man. We're deep. So the main performers, I think the Yang Yang Twins just played. We got a couple different other acts, but the main performers today, we have Rick Ross, we have 2 Chainz, and T.I. So I think later is gonna really turn up. And we're having a great time here at the Tacos and Tequila Festival. And of course, we're always plugging in El Patrón.